How to remove text from video in CapCut. So if you want to remove text from video in CapCut, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your CapCut, and after that you can select an existing project or a new project. So I'll be just selecting something and then go with add, which is on the bottom right. Now if you want to remove the text that is right here, then what you need to do is first you need to select the first video and then go with the effects option, go with video effects, and here you need to search for blur effect. So scroll down and go with blur, tap on blur effect. You can simply adjust it. Once you've adjusted, you can go with tick, and after that you need to go back, tap on overlay, tap on add overlay, and again choose the same video, tap on add. Now you need to swipe right, go with the mask option. Under mask you need to select for example I'll be choosing rectangle mask, enlarge that and go with the tick, which is on the bottom right. And now if you play the video, you can see that the text has been removed. So that's how you can remove text from video in CapCut, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.